Okay guys, welcome back again. We're here in IKEA, and then my tita was close the video. See, you close again. Okay, we go to the easiest. Let's go to the next choice. Bye. Bye. To everybody. Then now we can go. Now we can go. This is. Now let's go on the next choice. Bye. What everybody? So I'll try. Now we got no squid. Nature. Ouch.
Take video. Give me a take video. I hold the phone and Andee.
Okay.
Do like this. Give me.
You do. Okay.
Akin na.
Hey, but do like this to do like.
Floor.
Okay. Oh yes. And then this.
Turn around. Turn around.
Yes. Yes. Then I'll need. No. Okay. Bye, Tita. Tita, let's go. Oh, okay. What is this? Is for baby.
Hair clips, jewelry.
The blue. Now let's go to the next chilies. But now we're still here. Just skinny. We never to go be here. On this next day, you gotta go to this.
Ano ba yan?
Hey, look at this this puppy here. Papa. He's betting the video. Mimi can go. Now let's go to the. Now let's go. Tita, mommy, daddy are there. Now let's go on the next choice. Bye.